Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
The map sensor is located at the back of the engine underneath the airbox. You must loosen this screw before lifting the airbox. We can now access the map sensor. Remove the map connector by pulling up on its releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our map sensor plug to the map sensor. Connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by pulling up on its releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Replace all removed engine components. If you have any questions, please contact us.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.